What's going on, everybody, and happy Monday to you. Wanted to kind of do a little overview of the shop, the car project, the 76 Corvette floor pans. Let me give you a little shot of what we're doing here. All right, so I cut out the old rusty floor pans. I've made a bunch of videos about these already. I've got them trimmed and cut and trimmed and edged and sanded, and these are ready to weld in. So as you can see, I got them all done, nice and neat, best I can for a first timer, not too bad. Got that over there done. Give you a better angle from over here. Got this side done. It's a little hanging low because I don't have anything up, propping it up below. But I got it all lined up, ready to go. So hopefully this weekend I'll weld it in, I'll tack it in, get it all set in place, tack it in, put my seam sealer or bonding agent up there. I'm gonna weld it all along the edge there, do some plug welds here, get that in there, and then she'll be good to go. This car's a mess, but hey, listen, for my first time project of this magnitude, it's pretty good. If I'm being honest, sometimes I felt a little overwhelmed, but I'm gonna keep at it. Like I said, sometimes it got a little overwhelming, just kind of figuring things out and trying to cut stuff and make sure I don't cut too much, because these floor pans weren't cheap, and I certainly don't want to mess something up that I can't fix. Whether it looks like garbage or not, well, who cares? It's my car, so I'm sure somebody will make fun of it somehow, some way, but that's cool. I've done that too. But again, it's been overwhelming to take on a project like this for your first time. I've looked at many videos from various different people that are out there, and I'll try to put some mentions in the comments below of who some of those people are. I can't remember off the top of my head. Rat Rob Bob's one of them. Lucky's Garage. Lone Star Hawaiian. He does a lot of stuff and makes me feel confident that I can do stuff too. Who's another one I look at? Yeah Buddy. If you watch him, he's a pretty good guy. And I've been watching Chris Sullivan. Chris Sullivan really made me realize it's attention to detail and keep things clean. So go check out some of his stuff too. But I watch those videos and just kind of figure things out as I go along. That's pretty much how you do it. My other project, let me show you this here, hold on. This right here was my first project I ever did. It's a 1959 Chevy Apache pickup truck. Redid the wood bed in the back. I redid the interior, put a new motor and transmission in it. Let me see if I can open this up with one hand. Hopeless. Really can't hardly see it that good, but it's got a small block Chevy in it, 355, 700 R4 transmission. Won't win any races, but it'll get on down the road. But that's that. I bought this one, and again, redone everything, lowered it, put new heights, front suspension up under it. This project's a little bit different because this one was always running and driving, whereas this one here, as you can see, man, it's nowhere near running or driving. It's got a lot of work left to be done. So my plans are to Ellis swap it, put an Ellis motor in there, something 350, 400 horsepower or so, 4L60E, just something I can go cruise in and, do donuts if I want to, on a closed track, of course. Something to just cruise around in. So it's not the prettiest car in the world, but hey, listen, it's something to start with. It's a nice project. So keep watching back. I'll post more videos as things go on. One of the things I'm going to be working on here, let me show you this. When I put the transmission in, this car came with a turbo 350, which is a 3-speed transmission. And what you'll notice is, let me see if I can do this right here. When the shifter goes down, right, it goes like this, it locks out, so you can't put it in reverse, right? So I'm gonna have to figure out something to make a new one of these to where it accepts a 4-speed. So it shouldn't be too hard. I just have to cut a piece of metal and then create me a little clip further down like that. So I should be able to do that. That should be fun to do, but little stuff like that's what it's all about, trying to figure those things out. I'm sure someone's done that before, and if you have, send me pictures of it and let me see it, because I always like seeing what someone else has done, learn from it. So it's kind of where I'm at on that. Again, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoy my little project as I mess along.